This is my cat. His name is Neil. Hey everybody, it's Gabby from Cinemafuge, and if you're interested in making this adorable Moogle from Final Fantasy, keep on watching. And just to let you know, it doesn't have to be perfect, you just gotta have fun with it.
Purple clay, translucent clay, red or pink clay, dotting tools, X-Acto knife, wire, tools for the wire, pastels, and we're only going to be using the red color for this project. Black paint, glaze is optional. Let's get started. We're going to be making the head in kind of a squash shape, just like round up the top of the head, and then the body is going to be a tear shape to give it kind of a neck. And then we're going to blend in the creases to make it look like it's smooth, and it'll also give it more stability. Next we're going to be doing the arms. You're just going to roll out some clay and blend it in. Do the same, make sure it's the same length and the same thickness. We're going to be rolling out 2 balls of clays for the leg. Make them a little bit shorter than the arms. Now I did have to fix it, I just defined the head more and the neck. And now you're going to roll out 2 balls of clay into small triangles. And you're just going to pinch the bottom of the triangle to give it kind of the cool effect. And you're going to blend that on top of the Moogle's head. Now you're going to roll out this reddish greenish color for the nose, and we're going to use the second ball for the top on the antenna. You can do whatever length you like. I'm just going to put some white clay on top of this to mix it in. You can also use liquid clay for this too, that works as well. Just going to bend a little bit, and now I'm going to roll out a second ball and put it on top. Now you're going to make the wing. You're going to cut this in a triangle shape, and then you're going to roll out a piece of clay, and you're going to put it on both sides except the bottom. You're going to put 2 lines of the clay on the middle. Then you're going to use a dotting tool to define the empty spaces and then blend it in on the back. Now we're going to use the red and white pastels to make a kind of blushing effect for our Moogle. You can also use a light pink for this also, but I like the pastels. Ready for cooking. So you're going to preheat your oven to 275. And we're going to cook him for 30 minutes. And now it may be different on your clay, so read your instructions. And then we have it all done and cooked. Now all left is the eyes. Now I'm going to use brown instead of black. You're more than welcome to use black, but I like brown because it's less harsh. And you're just going to do 2 thick lines. Make sure it's even. And there you go. You have an adorable, cute Moogle. And I hope you guys enjoy this. Thanks for watching.